In this quick lesson from themacu.com, we're going to see how to use another new feature in Luminar 4, AI Portrait Enhancement. Like the AI Sky Replacement tool we looked at in a previous lesson, this requires no selections or painting to make some pretty impressive enhancements to a portrait shot. I'm going to use this image, which wasn't taken in the best conditions. The lighting was dim and inconsistent. So let's see what we can do with the Portrait Enhancer in Luminar 4. As usual, I'm going to start out in the Photos app, and I'll jump into the Luminar interface via the extension. In the sidebar on the far right, we now have a Portrait section. I'll be using the Portrait Enhancer and the AI Skin Enhancer in this lesson. Open the Portrait Enhancer, and it's just a bunch of sliders, all having to do with areas of the face. So this is strictly for portraits. First we have Face Light, which detects the face with AI, and as I slide this up, only her face will brighten up. I'll leave this at about 50 for this shot. Next we have 4 sliders dedicated to the eyes. Normally when you're retouching eyes, you'll need to make selections and maybe place them on their own layer to make the changes. But again, here the selections are made automatically. Red eye isn't an issue in this image, so I don't need to worry about that one. Eye whitening will brighten only the whites of the eyes. Eye enhancer is going to sharpen the eyes, and especially the iris if you have a really close-up shot with a lot of detail. Dark circles removal will subtly brighten up the areas underneath the eyes. The next 2 sliders will actually distort the image. Slim Face does just that, squeezing the photo horizontally right around her cheekbones. Enlarge the eyes a bit to accentuate them. The Eyebrow Improve slider makes the eyebrows more prominent and darker. Then we have 3 sliders that only affect the lips: saturation, redness, and darkening. Use the Teeth Whitening slider to brighten up her smile. The other tool I'm going to use in this image is the AI Skin Enhancer, which is just a single slider. Slide this up, and only the skin on her face is softened. Turn on Skin Defects Removal, and any obvious blemishes are going to be automatically removed. So in just a couple minutes, I'm able to greatly improve the details of this image in specific areas, without making a single selection or using a brush. These AI tools in Luminar 4 are really good at automatically selecting specific areas of a photo, which is a huge time saver.